Hi Ray, I've got another job for you to do with manage Instagram cached images. The images that are showing, say, for 1770 sunset, um, I need these images to be in the same order as here. So at the moment there's a guy sitting on a rock, waves and some people holding rings. If I look here, holding rings is first. Somewhere down here, there's the guy there sitting on the rock. So it makes it difficult for me to say, okay, so the first 18 images look like so. They're all out of order. So is that okay for you to, so what displays here? Say this is image 1 through to 6, 12 and 18 visible images. If this could be number 1, 2, 3, etc., that'd be great. Okay, thank you, Ray. Cheers.